Hello friends, how are you all of you? I am Sheikh Muzaffar and I welcome you all in this today's beautiful session which is determination of integrating factor for non-exactness. I will be quickly moving into this session. Just stick with me for the entire session. Let's write. So in third case for determining integration factor. So in third case, if del m by del y, if del m by del y minus del n by del x minus del n by del x whole divided by n equals to function of x, then integrating factor becomes e to the power the integration of f of x dx. So if del m by del y minus del n by del x whole divided by n equals to f of x, then integrating factor equals to e to the power the integration of f of x dx. So if I take one example based on this case, then it is clear. So write down the problem. So solve x square plus y square whole into dx minus of 2xy whole into dy equals to 0. So here in this case you directly mark it which is of the form. If I write what is the solution in this case, so can I write, if I write m equals to x square plus y square and n equals to minus of 2xy, so taking partial derivative with respect to y, del m by del y. Whenever you have to take the partial derivative with respect to y, x is constant, so this term becomes 0 plus of 2y. So finally you can write 2y. And in this case del n by del x, जब x का रेस्पेक्ट में पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव लेंगे तब y कांस्टेंट रहेगा, तो माइनस ऑफ 2 इंटू वाई del del x of x, so it becomes 1. So finally therefore del m by del y not equals to del n by del x, which indicates non-exact. So you have to find the integrating factor. So first of all you can write, before finding integrating factor we have to verify this part. Del m by del y minus del n by del x equals to how much? By del n by del y minus del n by del x equals to, so can I write del n by del y, it becomes 2y, and del n by del x minus of del n by del x minus 2y, so can I write minus 2y. So finally you can write 2y plus of 2y, so it becomes 4y. Therefore del m by del y minus del n by del x minus del n by del x whole divided by n, so it becomes, so verify it, del n by del y minus del n by del x, so it becomes 4y whole divided by, what is n? n becomes minus 2xy, n becomes minus 2xy, so can I write minus of 2 by x. So therefore integrating factor becomes, so can I write e to the power the integration of f of x dx. Can I write this line becomes e to the power the integration of minus, can I write e to the power the integration of minus 2 by x dx. So can I write e to the power the minus of into dx by x, so it becomes log of x. So can I write this part becomes x to the power the minus 2, so finally you can write 1 by x square. So the integrating factor it becomes, so here all of you know, since all of you know e to the power the log x, so it becomes x. So that's why you have written e to the power the log of x to the power the minus 2, so that becomes x to the power the minus 2 using this formula. So multiplying, so do the numbering, multiplying integrating factor, multiply integrating factor in 1, we get exact. So multiplying in integrating factor in 1. What is integrating factor? 1 by x square. So multiply 1 by x square whole into. So here I have written this is 1 x square plus y square whole into dx. X square plus y square whole into dx minus of 2xy whole into dy equals to 0. So multiply this. So it becomes how much? 1 plus y square by x square whole into dx minus of. So can I write 2y divided by x whole into dy equals to 0. So this is exact. Can you say this is exact? If it is exact, so directly we can write the solution. Therefore, required general solution is integration of m dx plus of integration of n dy equals to some arbitrary constant or integrating constant. And in this case, y is constant. And here in this case, terms of n not containing x, not containing x. So here m becomes this part 1 plus y square by x square, 1 plus y square by x square whole into dx. Integration of this part plus. So here n dy, n becomes this part. So can I write minus integration of 2y by x into dy equals to some arbitrary constant or integrating constant. Here in this case y is constant, that means integration of dx, so it becomes x plus of 1 y square becomes constant here, so integration of dx by x square, that means minus of 1 by x, and this part becomes terms of n contains x, so that's why the value of the integration becomes 0 equals to c. So finally you can write x minus of y square by x equals to c. So can I write, so this is the required general solution of the given differential equation. Then I will check the fourth case. So can I write what is the fourth case in this case? So can I write if del m by del y minus del n by del x equals to, if del m by del y minus del n by del x whole divided by m equals to function of y, then integrating factor becomes e to the power the integration of minus of f function of y into dy. So I will discuss one problem which is based on this case, then it is clear. So can I write, so write down one problem. Solve 3x square y to the power the 4 minus of plus of 2xy whole into x whole into dx plus of, so can I write 2x cube y cube minus of x square whole into dy equals to 0. What is the problem? 3x square y to the power 4 plus 2xy whole into dx plus 2x cube y cube minus x square whole into dy equals to 0. So which is of the form? So can you say what the solution? which is of the form m dx plus n dy, it becomes 0. So what is m? So first of all, so we have to calculate. So here in this case, so del m by del y, so here it is non-exact form, whatever is given. So we can write, so verify it, m equals to 3x square y to the power of 4 plus 2xy. So what is del m by del y? Del m by del y, taking partial derivative with respect to y. So this part becomes constant. So 3x square into y to the power of 4. Del y of y to the power of 4, that means 4 into y cube, plus of 2x is constant, del y of y, so it becomes 1. So finally we can write 12x square y cube plus of 2x. And m becomes how much? What is m? M becomes 2x cube y cube. 2x cube y cube minus of x square. So can I write? So del m by del x, taking partial derivative with respect to x both sides. So 2y cube is constant. So can I write 2y cube into del x of x cube. So can I write 3x square minus of. So here del x of x square, that becomes 2x. So finally we get 6x square y cube minus 2x. So verify it. What is del m by del y and what is del m by del x? So can you say del m by del y? Del m by del y not equals to del m by del x. So here check it, 12x square y cube. Here it is 6x square y cube. So this part become non-exact. If it is non-exact, then we have to find the integrating factor. How to find the integrating factor in this case? So can I write, first of all, we can write del m by del y. Del m by del y minus del m by del x whole divided by m. So can I write, what is del m by del y? Del m by del y, it becomes this part, 12x square y cube. 12x square y cube plus of 2x minus of del m by del x. Del m by del x, this part, minus of 6x square y cube. 6x square y cube. Then minus 1 say plus 2x. Plus of 2x whole divided by. So can I write m? What is m? M becomes this part, 3x square y to the power of 4. 3x square into y to the power of 4 plus of 2xy. Plus of 2xy. So can I write 12x square y cube minus 6x square y cube. That means you must get 6x square y cube. 2x plus 2x, that means 4x all divided by. So here 3x square y to the power of 4 plus 2xy. So can I write 3x square y to the power of 4. Y to the power of 4 plus of 2xy. So can I take the common 2x? So can I take the common? So here if I take the common 2, so can I write 3x square y cube plus of 2x whole divided by, taking common, so y, taking common y, so can I write 3x square y cube plus of 2x. So that numerator part and denominator part has been cancelled. So finally we will get 2 by y equals to, this part becomes function of y. Here I have written, if del m by del y minus del m by del x whole divided by m, it becomes function of y. Then what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor equals to e to the power the integration of minus fy dy. So therefore integrating factor becomes, so can I write integrating factor, it becomes e to the power the integration of minus of f of y dy. So can I write this line, e to the power the minus of integral f of y, that means 2 by y into dy. So can I write this part becomes e to the power the minus 2 log of y. So can I write this part becomes e to the power the log of y to the power minus 2. So finally all of you know e to the power log y, it becomes y. Finally you can write y to the power minus 2. Finally you can write 1 by y square. So this is the required integrating factor. Then multiplying integrating factor in 1. Multiplying integrating factor in 1. So multiplying integrating factor, multiply integrating factor in 1, we get exact. So what is the solution? So you can write integration of, so multiplying 1 by y square in this case. So 1 by y square all into, so 3x square y to the power 4 plus of 2xy plus of 2xy all into dx plus of 2x cube y cube minus of x square all into dy. So here in this case, so can I write multiplying integrating factor 1 by y square into 1. So here you have to multiply, then multiplying this by case, so finally we will get, so can I write in this side? So multiplying 1 by y square, so here you must get 3x square, it is y to the power 4 by y square, that means 3x square y square plus of 2xy, 2x divided by y, 2x divided by y, then whole into dx plus of, so here 1 by y square into this part, 2x cube y, can I write 2x cube y minus of 1 by y square, that means x square by y square whole into dy equals to 0. So this is exact. Therefore the required general solution is integration of m dx plus integration of m dy equals to some arbitrary constant or integrating constant. Here y is constant. In this case, and in this case, terms of n not containing x, terms of n not containing x. So can I write what is m? M becomes this part, n becomes this part. What is m? Here in this case, m dx. So here 3y square becomes constant. Integration of x square dx. So it becomes x cube by 3 plus of 2x by y. So 2 by y is constant. Integration of x, that means integration of x dx. So it becomes x square by 2. Again integration of n dy, terms of n not containing x. So this term contains x, so this part becomes 0. This part also contains x, this part becomes, the value of the integration becomes 0. So finally we will write plus of, so here you can write 0 minus of 0 equals to arbitrary constant or integrating constant. So finally we can write 3 cancelled. So finally x cube into y square, here 2 cancelled, so finally plus of x square by y equals to some arbitrary constant or integrating constant. So this is the required general solution of the given differential equation. I hope you enjoyed the session and like the tricks that I have shared in this video. So don't forget to share among your friends, and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button, and write whatever you need in the comment section, because if you do that I will keep on working hard for all of you guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.